Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable edge panels vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on displayed. Next, go down and tap on edge panels. Now make sure edge panels is switched on at the top. Then tap on handle. Next, go down and tap on vibrate when handle is touched. Tap on the switch to turn it on or off. If it is turned on, then when you touch on the handle right here, you should feel the handles vibrate a little bit. So if you touch on it, it will vibrate. And that's it. If you don't like the vibration, you can switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.